Good morning, everyone. So I was messing about with my brinks, and I forgot the combination to this thing. So I thought I would give it a try. Of course, I've messed around with wheels before, maybe. But I think the whole trick is to put it, there's a little bumper thing. There's a little, see that little part of the shackle there that you can't get the rod into? Can you all see that little piece of steel down there? Well, if you work a piece of wire, this right here wire I got off my guitar, so this is I believe this is number 4 string. Anyway, because I'm not really into all that decoding stuff. I never understood it. And I can't do it. So let's see what we come up with here. I'm not going to make excuses about the camera being on either. It'll work. Will it or won't it? Wow. Oh. Okay, so we're going to keep that one right in the middle of number 6. Now we're going to try for the number 2 wheel here. Let's see if we can get it in there, wiggling it back and forth. We got, you can only go that far, you can only go that far, so we got 6 and we got 1. Let's try the 3rd wheel back. We'll spin her around. There we go. That one looks about real. This right here one looks about real. Let's see where we're at here now. So if you look, now that we got the wire stuck all the way through all 3 wheels, what I normally do is I try to go back and forth until I feel tension on the wire. There's tension on the wire there. There's tension on the wire there. There you go. Alright, now we pull the wire out and you see the lock does not open. So we know that the top pieces here are where the little cup is cut in this side wheel, this side of the wheel that has a little round thing that has a cup cut in it. So if we look at the numbers, this is the way I do it. I do 4. I just keep going and keeping them the same thing. It don't open. 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 It's a long ways around the bush. I'll go back. Well, just keep playing with it till we get it, because we know that we got it, all of the things on top. Well, let's see if we can do it again. The first time I did this, of course, it worked out pretty good. We're going to try it and see. Okay. So we're going to do that one. I'm being attacked by various creatures here. So we'll try it again. There we go. So the last time I did this, it worked out perfectly, of course. But if you practice with the little piece of wire from your guitar or something like that, it'll work out. And I guess that's the combination. I don't know how you change the combination. I have no idea. This is one of them locks that came off one of them storage units over there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be talking with you all later on.